Hello, you are watching this video because you want to help and start a healthcare infusion in your community. This video will show you exactly how to do it step by step. I'm Todd. My wife and I started this thing on Vancouver Island, which is attracting American healthcare workers to Canada, and I wanted to share with you how we did it so that you can copy it and do what we did, or do your own thing, whatever. You don't have to give us credit. There's no money involved here. We're not a charity. We're not a company. We're not an organization. We're not connected to the government. Healthcare infusions are just community-run, grassroots-led, volunteer websites with information. And what I've got for you is a couple of templates, essentially, that you can copy and put your own information in, and I'm going to show you step-by-step how to do that. Most infusions across the country, as we are expanding this out, are doing two things. First, they have a website. Now, you can use any website you want. The easiest way is to use a service called Notion, which is what we've built ours on, just because it's super easy to use. Whenever you save a document, it's immediately published to the website and so on. And you can copy our template, essentially. It makes it easier, but you can make it on any website you want. The other is a Discord. A Discord is like a chat room. If you're familiar with Slack or Teams chat rooms, it's sort of like that. It was started in the gamer community. You don't have to know that. It's not the easiest, but it seems to work really well for this kind of thing. You do not have to run a Discord for your healthcare infusion if you don't want to. There's no mandatories. You do what you want with it. But if you choose to use it, we have found it very successful in helping people connect to people. That way, you're not the one always answering questions about what are the schools like. You can have locals in your Discord answering those questions for them. So let's get started with the website. This is healthcareinfusion.org. Excuse me. It might look a little different by the time you're looking at it, but there should be a link that says something like create your own infusion. Right now, this is where it is, and you just click on that. And there'll be something that says step 1. Right now, this is what it looks like here. You click this little triangle arrow here to expand it, and it says you are going to click this link right here. So this is the template, all right? All of this stuff, my head and so on, you delete and you replace with your own information, right? But what you're going to do is you're going to duplicate the site and then replace it with your own community information. To do that, you go up here to the top right and you'll see 3 dots. Click that and say sign up. And now you're going to sign up for Notion. Notion is free to use. You're just going to sign up with an account, or if you already have a Notion account, use that one. So I'm going to create a fake account for the purposes of demonstration. After you put in your email address, it's going to send a code to your email box, and you put that code in there. If you don't see it, look in your spam or junk mail folder, because sometimes it is. And I don't know if you heard that ding, but that was our email coming in. Yeah, it's going to look like this. You just copy whatever digits it gives you there, paste it in there, and click continue. It's going to ask you for a name. You can put in whatever name you like. I would turn off their spam if I were you, and then hit continue. You can put whatever you like in here. You can say it's for personal life, and you want to say free, obviously. And then go down here and say skip for now. And then skip this as well. You don't need the desktop app. All right, now we are through all the BS. So go back now to where we were before, which was Healthcare Infusion. And you are going to go to the same place that we were at before with the templates. You're going to come up here to this little duplicate icon and click duplicate. And that is going to put this thing, it's going to ask if you want to put it in your healthcare infusion. Yes, you can say add to private for now. It's going to take a couple of seconds. You can ignore all this other crap that's in there. I'm going to move my head out of the way here. And then eventually you'll see this here under private. You click it. All right. Now, just start editing. You're going to replace it. And this is, don't worry, it's not live on the web right now. You have to do something to do that. We're going to, Sudbury or whatever. And this is just a little note to yourself, so you can delete it here. And to delete blocks, by the way, if you just kind of hover over them, see how there's like a little 6 dots thing? If you hover over and you click that, you can just say delete, and that gets rid of them. Or you can like highlight and replace the text. You can just click it and hit delete. Stop talking. And then just go through these pages and paste in your own information. Blah, blah, blah. And you'll notice that as soon as you navigate from the page, it saved it. You don't even have to click save. I go back and that text is right there again. So you go here, you'll get a job. I'm going to delete this, put in our own information. Here's a page for physicians and surgeons. Maybe you've got something, Sudbury likes doctors, or whatever it is that you want to put for your own information, for your own community. Put that there. Now publishing it, making it public is super easy. You're going to go up to the share button here. You're going to click share. Click the Publish tab, which is up at the top, and then click the Publish button. And that's it. You are now live. And if you click this little link icon, it'll say Copy Site Link. Just click it, and that is your URL. And you will notice It is ugly as sin. And so I can fix that for you. Once you get your website address, which is going to be a big, long, ugly thing, just post it in the Infusion Host's Discord, email it to me, whatever, and I will make you like Sudbury.healthcare.